Bartolomea Predwojewski. Et donc, on a tenté Asquin Skyrun 2021 toujours, avec l'athlète prénom, 4 lettres, donc Bart. Alors est-ce que la mélancolie est vraiment slave ? Quand on voit Bart, on n'est pas sûr. Bref, c'est vraiment un plaisir et une chance de l'avoir. Et on a hâte de parler. Hi Bart.
Hi.
How do you do ? Comment tu te sens, Bart, qui est arrivé hier ?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm really happy to be in Basque country. It's perfect place because I feel connected with nature, with people who are smiling, and very, very demanding terrain like this time.
Ok, donc forcément très heureux. Les gens sourient. Je suis connecté à la nature ici. Je me sens bien. You don't like sad, not at all.
Yeah, that's right.
So let's begin by the last question. Do you feel ready to party Saturday evening all night long? Est-ce que tu te sens déjà prêt à affronter des heures d'after race samedi soir?
Hey,
Because after you will have maybe 3 or 4 weeks to rest. Il y aura 3 ou 4 semaines après pour récupérer jusqu'à la finale.
Oh, it's difficult question. We will see what happened in the race, after the race, and then we will see what happened in party. So I hope I will be ready in the evening on Saturday.
Bon, j'espère que je serai prêt, tout peut arriver. I hope you will be happy on Saturday evening. So just push intensity, but maybe on the race, just sometimes when you feel down, remember that after the finish line, the party is free and open for everybody. Si tu te sens pas bien, pense à la fête. C'est gratuit et à volonté.
Yeah.
Let's talk about shortly about the beginning of the season this year. Parlons un petit peu du début de la saison 2021. Did you manage to run a little bit before Ola de Nuria? Because we remember, and it was my question in Chamonix.
Yeah.
In Ola de Nuria, we saw your face, and it was not Bart.
Yeah.
It was really painful. Ola de Nuria, c'était pas le Bart qu'on connaît, super marqué. Est-ce que tu as pu courir et quand même t'entraîner avant ce début de saison?
Yeah, it's true. In Ola de Nuria, I was really tired. My body was destroyed because all time I had to connect my running with job. I worked 24 hours. Sometimes I didn't sleep.
J'étais crevé en arrivant sur la Ola de Nuria. Je bosse 24 heures par semaine, donc j'étais vraiment épuisé.
Yeah, so in the first part of this season, all time I was tired. It was difficult to good training, to good prepare for competition, because all time the work stopped in my training. But after Marathon du Mont Blanc, I'm in iPad leave for 2 years, so now I can be professional runner and focus only on my training, on my rest. So it's why I wake up after Ola de Nuria and now I can compete with the best athletes.
Ah ok, it's a great change.
Yes.
Donc j'étais vraiment épuisé et donc Ola de Nuria a été difficile, mais après le marathon du Mont Blanc, grand changement dans ma vie, j'ai pu me consacrer entièrement et désormais à ma carrière d'athlète professionnel. Ce qui est, it's a full change because you manage to rest and to focus on your training. Je peux me reposer.
Because in the first part of the season, all time I was tired. When I wake up, I was tired.
It was already done.
Yeah, it was tough. It was a tough time for me. So it's why you didn't see smile on my face for the Nuria, but now I feel ready for all training, for all competition, because I focus on training and rest and eat, and I can plan my training, because earlier it was difficult because every time I had to be on my work. And now I have free time and I can planning season for my competition, for my feeling, and I know what I want to do in 1 month later.
Yeah, it's really interesting. Maintenant, je peux vraiment planifier mes entraînements, mon repos, your private life also. Have time, deal your time before.
Yeah, from start of my career, I connect work and running, but I fight 3 years. I was all time tired. Every day I went sleep to 9:30 because it was difficult to not sleep more. But in this season, finally I said don't more. It's finished. If I want to be the best, at least I have to focus only on running.
Congratulations, félicitations, parce que it's a big decision. C'est quand même un gros choix, and it's also mentally it's better because now you have time and you are not obliged to fight to say okay, I will give you a moment and then I will give a moment to my training and then maybe to my family, to my girlfriend. Donc ça n'est plus un combat et une lutte et donc tu as trop de temps. You have too much time now.
Yeah, no.
No.
Yeah. That's right, I have time, I can plan, I can meet with my friends, my family, my friends, they see difference me between when I work and running and now I'm happy.
You can make interviews
people,
with journalists.
That's right.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
Let's talk about the Golden Trail. Donc parlons des Golden Trail. It's like the Formula One of the trail running. There was an ultra trailer who told us last time, the Golden Trail World Series is like the car racing, the Formula One in trail running. But, donc c'est un peu là, pas mal de gens voient ça, et notamment on avait un ultra trailer très connu qui nous disait récemment c'est la Formule 1 du trail, mais il y a aussi cette ambiance très très amicale. It's also really, there is also a lot of friendship. It's a small group with the same athletes and there is really this alchemy. Il y a vraiment une alchimie, une spécificité with high level. Do you think it's really something special to the Golden Trail, and is it the reason why you are attached to the Golden Trail, this mix between the highest level and this friendship and good relationships which is kept between all the athletes, cette sympathie et cette bonne ambiance et ce côté un peu grande bande qui se tire la bourre?
Yeah, so I think it's why we run in that level, because every time we feel support from friends, from team, and every time you know it's your friend. For example, 2 years ago when I fall down, I ran with Nadir Maguet, and Nadir stopped. Come back to me, ask me what happened, how I am feeling, and he didn't continue the race, and he stopped with me.
Wow.
Yeah, and then when I said to him, go, then he asked me, yeah, really? Yeah, sure. And maybe 1 minute later, he continue the race.
Je pense que c'est précisément en fait ce mix de sympathie, de respect entre les coureurs et de haut niveau qui nous rend meilleurs. Nadir Maguet, il y a 2 ans quand je suis tombé, s'est arrêté. Il a perdu plus d'1 minute avec moi en me disant mais tu es sûr je peux y aller, qu'est-ce qu'il y a, en vérifiant que j'allais bien. Et c'est ce qui nous pousse, c'est ce qui nous rend aussi compétitifs en fait. C'est qu'on s'entend bien et on se sent supportés les uns par les autres.
Yeah, so for me it's big thing because it's my rivals. I want to win with Thibaut, Stian, other athletes, but only the race. Before and after the race, we are friends. We drink.
You drink?
Yes.
On boit.
Sometimes when we finish the race, I feel like here like family. I feel support from not only from athletes, but from physio, from cameraman, photographer, and people who help us in the competition.
Ouais, il y a toujours cet esprit d'équipe en fait. Même les caméramans, le staff technique, le staff médical, on se connaît tous et en fait on fonctionne ensemble et on se sent aidé, supporté. Et peut-être que d'ailleurs c'est une des choses que Greg Volley et l'organisation des Golden ont réussi. Greg voulait centrer vraiment les choses sur l'intérêt sportif avec une vision, voilà, le plaisir, la compétition et quelque chose de sain. Et but maybe is one of the success of Greg and the Golden Trail, because Greg was a champion of mountain bike and he was telling us that he really wanted to make a circuit for the sport, the competition, but really something really pure. And I think he managed to do this with the staff, because it's like a teenage band, like a group, you know. C'est un peu comme une bande d'adolescents. Alors on connaît pas tout, mais voilà. And we saw pictures of you and Thibaut, for instance, at the end of Dolomites, or at the end of I don't remember the race, maybe in Chamonix. You are just shaking hands and like a hug. Ils se font des câlins avec Thibaut. Et ça, c'est quand même formidable. Everyone is always smiling. We don't know everything, of course, but it can be inspiring for other circuits. And maybe the key of the success, c'est peut-être une des règles aussi du succès des Golden. Okay, so Skyrun now. So Skyrun will not be in Scotland. Donc la Skyrun, c'est pas l'Écosse. You know already Scotland. You know the skyline. But peut-être que la Skyrun, ce serait une des images parfaites ou très illustratrices de ces Golden. Maybe the Skyrun is one of the best picture of the Golden Trail, because if I would like to sum up Skyrun, maybe it would be density, intensity, from the start to the finish. Yes. So maybe it's one good illustration of the Golden.
Yes,
peut-être que la Skyrun est vraiment une des illustrations, parce que en fait c'est la densité. Just 21 kilometers and 1,700 meters, 21 km, 1700 mètres, and really, really human. Do you feel it? Est-ce que tu es d'accord avec ça? You don't know the race, but you've learned a lot about the race.
Yes. I checked this road 2 days ago, and I think it's more demanding race, like up and down, something like Dolomites Sky Race, because here we have to push all time from start to finish line. So I think it will.
On a sport point of view, but also on a human point of view. You talked about people smiling and connected.
Yeah, I think we have to be focused on the road, and maybe I will forgot people on the summit who will cheering, because I'm sure I will focus on path, on road, and run with front of the group.
Je suis d'accord avec cette illustration. Je pense qu'en effet que la Skyrun, illustre bien en tout cas la technicité du circuit Golden, et peut-être qu'elle implique et qu'elle demande davantage d'engagement physique que d'autres courses. Ça me fait penser un peu aux Dolomites d'ailleurs, format court, intense en montée, intense en descente. Alors peut-être que je serai très très focus sur le parcours, sur les concurrents qui seront devant moi. Je ferai peut-être pas trop attention au public, but you will see the public all the race, and after I'm sure you will go back to the entire public and the people and the supporters, so they will celebrate you. Be sure of this. Maybe the two last question. If you are too motivated, because in our introduction we said that for you this Golden Trail could be really, really much more motivating, because it's the last race for you and you are second in the ranking. So if I were you, si j'étais toi, je ne suis pas toi, I would try to do everything that could be possible to really finish the season the best as possible. Si j'étais toi, j'aurais envie vraiment de me dépasser pour donner le meilleur, pour faire un bouquet final splendide. But being too much motivating is not a risk. It's not dangerous to make a mistake on the track or to push too much? Est-ce que c'est pas un risque justement d'exploser ou de tomber ou de how do you see that? Wanting to make the best race as possible because there is also Thibaut and Davide.
It's difficult to keep balance because today and yesterday I thought it is not possible to run very fast in a downhill, but I know in the race I will run very fast in the downhill, and I'm sure I forgot about be patient, don't take too much risk, but I know during the race I will taking the risk.
Je sais que pendant la course, je vais prendre des risques. Je ferai peut-être plus attention à être pas assez passionné, trop passionné. Je serai dans ma course, je prendrai des risques. But you have to keep in mind that if you want to do the best race as possible, to say, okay, it's the end of the season. Don't forget that after there is the one in El Hierro.
I know it, but if I want to fight on the best place, Golden Trail series, I have to give 100% in Saturday, because if I give 95, 92, I can be on 5th position.
Okay.
Because it's not big difference between first and second and fifth position. So sometimes you have to take risks to be one position better.
C'est pas encore gagné comme dit Bart, parce qu'il y a encore un écart très réduit entre le 4, le 5, le 6, donc il va falloir donner quand même tout demain, donc que j'ai envie ou pas de faire la plus belle course, il va falloir tout donner, et pas 95 mais 100% ou 200%. You managed to check the race. The last question would be, what could be your strategy? Quelle serait ta stratégie? Even if, as Stian replied us, comme nous a dit Stian en juillet, there is no strategy, but the best strategy is to keep the best balance from the start to the end, and not being in the red zone, but la bonne stratégie, c'est en gros d'en garder sous le pied tout le temps, and the best intensity. But do you have any tips or tricks, you?
So I know on Saturday I will more time to red zone in each uphill, because I know if I will first and second in last summit, I know I can win. So I have to be in the front of group in last summit. So it is my tactic for Saturday, and I think all athletes know it because know how I run down. So it's why so it's why that the first part will be very hard, because runners like Davide will lost me in the first part.
Ma tactique, en gros, c'est d'arriver jusqu'à la 3e montée. Je serai davantage dans la zone rouge pendant toute ma course, parce que tout le monde va donner le maximum sur toutes les montées, et tout le monde sait comment je cours. Or, tout le monde va savoir que, en gros, je veux arriver dans le groupe de tête en première ou en 2e position sur la dernière montée, parce qu'après, je pense que je peux gagner la course. Donc, je pense que le challenge va être intense du début à la fin, parce que tout le monde sait la façon dont je cours, quoi. Well, we just have to say wait and see. After, you are going to rest and to wait for the final. Après, c'est repos et attente de la grande finale pour toi.
Yeah.
Okay.
I stay in home and prepare for final.
Okay. So anyway, we wish you the best, and we meet you back Saturday evening. The podio is 6:30. Tomorrow press conference, and the party is 8 o'clock. 8 p.m. I think.
7:30. It's ceremony.
C'est pas 8h, c'est 7h30. Okay. Thank you very much, Bart.
Thank you.
Best race, and
See you.
See you on the race before the after race.